Hello, good morning, all of you. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello. Hello. Srishti, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
No one has replied. Yes, okay. Okay, so today we will revise this second sample paper. Uh, Read the extracts given below and attempt any one by answering questions that follow. As I had told you, the question pattern has changed. Now you will get extract based 5 marks question from any of the book. Extract based, and you have a choice. ये देखो any one है, तो दोनों आंसर मत कर देना, बीच में और नहीं दिखेगा, तो एक कोई एक्सट्रैक्ट का आंसर करना. So poor, you remember the chapter about Kisa Gautami, the sermon at Banaras? Huh? The Kisa Gautami's son died, and then she went to Gautam Buddha, and Buddha told that bring handful of mustard seeds from the family where no death has taken place. हाँ? गौतम बुद्धा ने कहा कि मुट्ठी भर सरसों का दाना लाने के लिए, और उस घर से जहाँ किसी की डेथ नहीं हुई हो. तो कीसा गौतमी went from house to house, but she was not able to find even one single house where death had not taken place. And this made her realize that death is an essential part of human life. So Buddha wanted to send the message to her that human beings are mortal. Human beings are mortal, and one day or the other, everyone has to die. And there is nothing that can bring a dead person alive. So you remember that story? This extract is from that story. Poor Kisa Gautami now went from house to house, and the people pitied her. Pitied her means sympathized with her. मतलब कि सहानुभूति था सबको. Kisa Gautami's son had died, so she went sympathized with her, and said, "Here is mustard seed, take it." But when she asked, "Did a son or a daughter, a father or a mother die in your family?" यही तो कंडीशन था कि मस्टर्ड सीड जो है ऐसा परिवार से चाहिए where no death had taken place. Then she asked the question, "Did a son or daughter, father or mother die in your family?" They answered her, "Alas, the living are few, but the dead are many." What answer she got from the people? That there are more dead people than living people. Do not remind us of our deepest grief. And the people said that by asking this question, you are making us remind of our grief. ऐसा सवाल पूछ के जो है आप हमें जो है और पुराने दुखों को याद दिला रही हैं. Grief means sorrow. And there was no house, but some beloved one had died in it. But some beloved one had died in it. So एक भी घर ऐसा नहीं मिला जहां कोई किसी की डेथ नहीं हुई हो. Kisa Gautami became weary and hopeless and sat down at the wayside, watching the lights of the city as they flickered up and were extinguished again. At last, the darkness of the night reigned everywhere. Reigned means what? Ruled. Reigned मतलब क्या होता है? Reigned. Ruled. Darkness ruled मतलब everywhere मतलब क्या? हर जगह अंधेरा छा गया. Hmm? Darkness ruled everywhere means everywhere there was just darkness and darkness. Darkness ruled everywhere means everywhere there was just darkness and dark. And she considered the fate means destiny. Fate means what? Destiny, kismat. Destiny of men, that their lives flicker up and are extinguished again, just like the flames are extinguished. जैसे आग बुझ जाती है वैसे human life be extinguished. How selfish am I in my grief? And this was the point. Kisa Gautami realized her selfishness. Why did no one offer mustard seeds to Kisa Gautami? No one had mustard seeds at that point of time. No one could fulfill Lord Buddha's condition. No one could fulfill Gautami's condition. They did not want to offer mustard seeds to her for free. What is the correct answer?
C. No one could fulfill Gautami's condition.
No one could fulfill Gautami's condition. Yes. Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true. दो तीन स्टेटमेंट जो है वो गलत है. वो कौन सा तीन है? Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true according to the given extract. All neighbors of Kisa Gautami were unkind. Kisa Gautami lost her consciousness due to the death of her son. Kisa could not find a suitable house to get mustard seeds for her son. There was no house in which no member had died. Kisa Gautami followed Lord Buddha's advice. If Kisa Gautami had found mustard seeds, her son could have got alive. इसका बेस्ट वे करने का यही है कि पहले TF लिख के और तब चूज कर लेना है कि कौन सा तीन जो है वो नहीं ट्रू है. Choose the option that lists the set of statements that are not true. If Kisa Gautami, all neighbors of Kisa Gautami were unkind to Gautami's grief, is this true or false? Hello. आंसर
False.
फॉल्स है ये। फिर कीसा गौतमी लॉस्ट हर कॉन्शियसनेस, ये भी फॉल्स है। Could not find a suitable house to get mustard seeds, this is true। then Kisa Gautami, there was no house, ये भी true है। Kisa Gautami followed Lord Buddha's advice, this is also true। if Kisa Gautami had found mustard seeds her son, this is false। so which is the set that is so which are the set of statements that are not true?
C, 1, 2 and 6.
2 and 6.
1, 2 and 6। तो इस तरह जो है कभी कंफ्यूजिंग लगे तो ऐसे ही पेंसिल से कर लेना। दिस इज द न्यू क्वेश्चन पैटर्न। सो you can first put the TF with pencil and then you can, that will make, pick the option that correctly classifies facts and opinions of the students below। facts or opinions, फैक्ट है 1 3, ओपिनियन है 2 4, फैक्ट है 1 2, ओपिनियन है 3 4। facts and opinion, I think any of Gautami's neighbors could have saved her son's life by offering mustard seeds। ये तो ओपिनियन है ना, दिस इज ओपिनियन। I think no, in my opinion even if she got mustard seeds her son would not get, ये भी ओपिनियन है। ये तो फैक्ट है। from a house in which no one had died, her son would have got alive, this is opinion। 3 ओपिनियन हो गया। One and 3, opinion 2 and 4। This is very confusing, fact opinion। बताओ तुम लोग सोच के पिक्चर। facts opinions, fact means truth, fact means truth। opinion मतलब view, opinion means one's view। fact। I think this one B option, ये fact 2 and 4 would not have got allowed, ये तो fact है, ये B option है होगा। Okay, then we'll move to option B, 2 4 1 3। which word does very not correspond to? Very means what? बताए थे ना पढ़ाते समय। Very means, come on answer, Mimamsa, Mimamsa, can you hear me? Hello, hello,
I'm tired.
Mimamsa, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Weary means what?
Tired.
Tired। ओके, तो कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड है जो जिसका मीनिंग वेरी नहीं है?
Ill.
ये भी है वन आउट, ये भी एक तरह से है इल, सो दिस इज द करेक्ट वर्ड 3. Okay. According to the given extract, man's fate is like. Extract के अनुसार man's destiny, किस्मत कैसा है? मस्टर्ड सीड्स के तरह, डार्कनेस के तरह, फ्लिकरिंग लाइट्स के तरह, या रोड के तरह?
Flickering lights. C.
फ्लिकरिंग लाइट्स, हाँ, फ्लिकरिंग लाइट्स, क्योंकि जैसे लाइट एक दिन बुझ जाती है तो आदमी के किस्मत में भी एक दिन मरना है, लाइट के भी किस्मत में एक दिन जो है खत्म हो जाना है, और आदमी का भी डेस्टिनी में एक दिन डेथ है. सो मैन्स फेट इज लाइक लाइट्स. दिस वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. This one is wrong. This one is also wrong. This one is also wrong. Road के तरह नहीं है, flickering lights. Okay. Okay, so this one. The arrival of a stranger at an inn in winter was in any case an unusual event. A stranger of such uncommon appearance set all tongues wagging. Mrs. Hall, the landlord's wife, made every effort to be friendly, but Griffin had no desire to talk and told her, "My reason for coming to Iping is a desire for solitude. I do not wish to be disturbed in my work. Besides, an accident has affected my face." So, the arrival of a stranger at an inn was unusual in समर, विंटर, ऑटम, स्प्रिंग. ये तो एकदम क्लियरली एक्सट्रैक्ट में दिया हुआ है. व्हाट इज गिवन? कम ऑन आंसर.
Winter.
विंटर. यस,
Winter.
विंटर. ओके. A stranger of such uncommon appearance. ग्रिफिन का जो appearance है वो बहुत uncommon है. Bandage on the face when he robbed the shop of which sold accessories of drama. uh, from there he got bandages and false nose and false mustache. So उसका appearance बहुत ही uncommon था. कॉमन लोगों के पूरे चेहरे पर बैंडेज नहीं होता, फॉल्स नोज नहीं होता, वो हमेशा चश्मा नहीं पहनते हैं. So his appearance was really uncommon. A stranger of such uncommon appearance made all run for their lives, take shelter in their homes, all come to look at the stranger, all tongues wag.
All tongues wag.
All tongues wag. So all tongues wag means what? Tongue का move करना means what? To speak. ये जो है एक phrase है, का मतलब सारे लोग जो है वो बात करने लगे उसके बारे में, उसके अनकॉमन अपीयरेंस के कारण. ग्रिफिन के अनकॉमन अपीयरेंस के कारण एवरीवन स्टार्टेड टू स्पीक अबाउट हिम. इट्स नेचुरल. people speak more about strange things. Where was the inn located? London, Iping, Drury Lane, none of these.
Iping.
Iping, village Iping. लैंड ओनर का जब ग्रिफिन ने जब अपने लैंड ओनर का घर को बर्न किया तो छुपने के लिए, पुलिस से भागने के लिए और अपना एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को कैरी ऑन करने के लिए, ही chose to live in a very far away remote village, and so he went to Iping. Why did Mrs. Hall want to be friendly with Griffin? She wanted to know about his reality. She was sociable. He was a good guest. His behavior was nice. Why did Mrs. Hall want to be friendly?
She was sociable.
Yes, she was sociable. Yes, Sarika, your answer is correct. She was sociable. The extract uses the phrase desire for solitude. Which of these expressions is incorrect? ये देखो, ये जो सही नहीं है उसको बताना है. Which of these option is expressions is incorrect? Solitude मतलब क्या नहीं होता है? Privacy, solution, peace, sad. Which of these expressions is incorrect? Option 1,
Solution.
huh?
Option 2, solution.
Solitude, solution. So देखा जाए तो sad भी नहीं होता है, लेकिन solution sad, solution, solitude. Option 2, हाँ यही होना चाहिए. Okay, then this poem. Read the extract given below and attempt any one by answering the questions that followed. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I'm speaking to you, Amanda? So you remember the poem where Amanda's mother continuously kept on advising her, and she was very dominating. Because of that, Amanda used to get transported into an imaginary world. She, Amanda developed a mental illness. Amanda developed a mental illness because of this. Mother's habit of continuously nagging her. So she gets transported into a imaginary world where she becomes a character, Rapunzel, princess. Rapunzel is a princess whom the witch has imprisoned on a tall tower, and she imagines herself as Rapunzel. Amanda's mother scolds Amanda for not doing her homework, not paying attention to what she says, all of these, not taking breakfast. All of these तो नहीं होगा, क्योंकि not
Ma'am, B, not paying attention to what she says.
not
B.
paying attention to what she says. Okay, what is the rhyme scheme?
B.
Amanda, 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 care, rare hair. A. B. हाँ, सब लाइन, इसमें भी तीनों लाइन राइम कर रहा है, इसमें भी. So Amanda wants to be Rapunzel because she thinks that living a life like Rapunzel would be peaceful, unusual, both A and B, neither A.
A, peaceful.
In the extract you have the word tranquil. It means peaceful. Tranquil और rare भी है, दोनों है, both A and B. Tranquil means peaceful and rare means unusual. तो दोनों है ना. It is both A and B because in the extract it is mentioned rare and tranquil. According to given stanza, chocolate can cause wound, pimples, rashes, all of these.
Pimples.
Acne means
B.
pimples, so this is very clear. Some questions are confusing. You have to answer very carefully. Amanda determines that when she would live in a tower, she would always keep her hair down the tower. She would never go down the tower. She would never let her hair down the tower. She would not see down the tower. क्या दिया हुआ? I'll certainly never let down my bright hair. ये तो एकदम क्लियर है. आप पैसेज में क्या दिया हुआ है? आंसर
D. Sorry, C.
सी.
C.
C.
सी
C.
दिया हुआ है ना कि हम यहाँ I will certainly never let down my bright hair. So this is given. She would never let her hair down the tower. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. So, from which poem is this extract? कौन सा poem से है? Fire and Ice.
Fire
And
and
the
ice.
poet says that the world one day will be destroyed either by fire, lust, or desire of the human beings, or by ice, or because of the insensitivity and the coldness and the hatred, either by lust or desire, or by hatred and insensitivity. So, but if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. According to the poet, what would be as competent as fire in ending the world? What would be as competent as fire? Fire तो है ही.
Hate.
हाँ.
Hatred. A.
I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great. कि आइस होगा, फायर एंड आइस. एक तो फायर है कॉम्पिटेंट and other is ice, but ice also denotes hatred. Huh. The poet brings about a contrast between ice and love, heat, cold, hatred.
Hatred. D.
Ice and hatred, coldness and hatred. The human capability of what has the potential for inner destruction. Insensitivity, hatred. Insensitivity, hatred, both A and B. Neither A nor B. किससे इनर डिस्ट्रक्शन हो सकता है? इसमें तो बोथ है एंड भी होगा. हेट्रेड से भी हो सकता है, इनसेंसिटिविटी से भी हो सकता है. सो इन दिस सी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Both insensitivity and hatred can cause inner destruction, isn't it? The stanza has been taken from the poem. कौन सा?
Fire and ice by Robert Frost.
Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. The hatred has the same adverse impact on us as
Jealous.
as desire. एक तो हेट्रेड है जो कि तुम्हारा हेट्रेड विच सिंबलाइजेस आइज, फिर एक डिजायर है जो सिंबलाइजेस लस्ट. So it should be desire. C. This one we had we done this? ये कर लिए था ना ये वाला. Which book are you reading, Joseph? So if you get questions like this with someone speaking in, this is direct indirect speech. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट है. डायलॉग नहीं देके डायरेक्ट जो है कौन क्या कह रहा है वो दिया हुआ है. So I found Joseph reading something. When I, तो इसने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा है? ये है जोसेफ. तो what has when I, which book are you reading? इसका कैसे चेंज होगा? Who will do it? Sarika, you want to try? हाँ. When उसमें होगा when I asked which book he was. आर यू का क्या हो जाएगा? he was. ये आर जो है वो ही में बदलेगा और यू जो है वो was में. which book? तो ये यस नो क्वेश्चन है ना. यस नो क्वेश्चन में वेदर इफ नहीं लगाते हैं, तो ये यस नो क्वेश्चन है. तो व्हेन आई आस्क, क्वेश्चन है तो आस्क्ड होगा. व्हेन आई आस्क्ड व्हिच बुक ही वाज रीडिंग, he replied that models are actually weak verbs but much interesting. ये तो बनाया हुआ है. सेकंड already done. Then I further asked what were the uses of models in our practical life. तो यहाँ R will change to what? Past tense, were. Okay. What were the uses of models in our practical life? What? So your pre-board online exam will start from 13. Have you seen the schedule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so this is just a practice pre-board. The real pre-board, it will be held in January. ये तो ऑनलाइन मोड में एक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट है. just because the syllabus now is almost complete, but you will have one offline also. And this you have to give through snap homework. जो snap homework में जो assignment वाला ये है उसमें देना है. पता है तुम लोग को ना?
Yes, ma'am.
What were the uses of models? My God, why the attendance is declining? हाँ देखो ये 10 participants. Very bad. What were the uses of models in our practice? What were the uses? देखो ये R will change to were. You have to remember the rules of direct indirect. So you revise the notes once again. Were the uses of models in our practical life? ये तो already बनाया हुआ in our practical life. I also made him aware that we can do without models. I think there is one error over here. कोई क्वेश्चन भी मुझे बहुत डाउटफुल लगता है ऑप्शंस. We could do without models. On hearing this, he surprised me by saying that he knew models. ये तो बनाया हुआ है. I know models. Models could help people express some specific. At last, he told me, ये जो है ये go and read models, इसको बदलना है. At last, यहाँ तक conditions express some specific conditions, ये तो बनाया हुआ है यहाँ तक. फिर ये last, at last he told me to go and read models. To go and read models.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम प्री बोर्ड का सिलेबस क्या है जो ऑनलाइन होने वाला है अभी?
होल बुक, होल सिलेबस 40% फर्स्ट टर्म से आएगा और 60% सेकेंड टर्म से आएगा. होल
Yes,
सिलेबस.
ma'am.
क्योंकि पूरा तो कंप्लीट हो ही गया है. Buses. Is there anything that you want me to teach once again? तो बोलो, उसको ये कर देंगे. कोई पोएम चैप्टर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हो तो रिपीट कर देंगे. सो तो हो